this. We're gonna do this. One shot. Shake it out, boys. Shake it out. Get. I want to see some blood pumping. I want to see your eyes bulging out of your skull. Oh, we're dead. Yeah, we don't have the angle. Sometimes you have the angle, sometimes you don't.
I'm the only one alive.
Oh, God. Dude, you don't even need to get in them. They just teleport you right to them.
It's not even like a normal teleport, too. Like, it just accelerates your man to the... Yeah. Better or worse than
Better. Aim better, please.
I took out everything on the left, alright?
Better hitting it. Get the pure rush, the pure rush, the pure rush, the pure rush.
There's no way to hit it. It's literally too far away. I can't get an angle on it.
No, stop, back up. Stop, back up. I learned from playing Legendary with AJ that you can stop sliding.
Oh yeah. Please be careful. Yep. Please be careful. Yeah.
I thought we were waiting for the checkpoint.
I think we waited long enough.
They just landed.
So in order to get a better shot, I'm literally leaning into my monitor. Like my face is up against the screen right now.
The Falcons aren't even here, so it has nothing to do with the
soft lock? Why?
Betrayal.
Why are you the way that you are?
I can't believe it.
Hey! Watch your fire.
The water killed me with his grenade launcher.
The worst part is that the grenade launcher's not automatic. Like, you have to mash it. It's so fucking annoying.
I may have shot the Wraith and hit a Marine next to it.
How is that possible? Also, how come we can't just go up?
We gotta fly through the valley.
Like what? So we can avoid the AA? The AA we're flying through? Oh, I'm just...
I noticed you fell out of it. you fallen? Okay.
What is this?
Well, now we are now soft locked. This one's gonna air shot us.
I'm getting shot by fucking every shade.
Hear all this cries of pain. Why is one Falcon on machine gun? Ow, I'm gonna die to this shade.
Dude, the fuel rod got me.
Oh no. There's a man down.
It's literally a showdown, whether who gets the first shot off. Like, we got this.
He's going insane.
Yeah, we are currently receiving Swallowma from the concussion rifle elites.
I think our only saving grace is reverting back to the very beginning.
No. See, because I knocked out the turret before, so we're all right. I just got to get the angle on it. It just depends on.
Wait,
No,
these
there's
these
another
grenades have
turret.
MPs.
Yeah, I know. It does. That's not helpful. You need to put out mortar. No, it's not helpful.
It's not helpful.
I guess I just teleported to it.
This is gonna be hard.
I'm sure. I have no shield either.
Yep, I don't think I do have the one either.
I'm pretty sure none of us have shields.
Yeah,
When's
no.
the last time anybody here is meleeing something?
Yeah, no.
So the ones who are in the grenade launchers have to be vigilant of like everything.
I can.
Machine guns aren't gonna do anything. You shoot at us?
No, I just shot the wall.
I don't know.
I shot one of the Falcons.
Our Marines like, watch it.
I shot one of the Falcons, yeah.
We're doing it. We're doing
No,
it.
someone's
Dead.
dead.
What do you mean?
No, we're so close.
I got killed with the concussion right. Okay, AJ, next to the fuel rod cannon shaders, there's 3 elites. One of them has a concussion right.
So let me understand this.
must die.
You guys are useless, correct?
Yeah, literally completely. AJ, you know those 2 jackals at the very beginning?
Yeah.
I cannot kill them. I have spent every time, like these ones, I've just shot them the entire time I can see them, with through their shield, no damage, zero damage.
Damn.
I want to shoot the water so bad.
blended and destroyed part of it. Can you stop doing that, Tom?
Tom,
The Marine next to me is concerned.
Tom, do you understand soft locks? Because this is how you soft lock.
Machine guns are literally not worth anything. I'm just gonna save myself 5 minutes.
Your grenades are actually are doing enough to push the shades over. But I
I'm
don't
aware.
know.
That's
I
what.
don't
That's
know.
the, I'm trying to do that just so I can get an angle weapon so I can hit.
Yeah. Okay, looking good.
AJ's on world record pace on the left.
Go water, the shade popped up.
What shape?
There's another shade. And there's another shade. Okay, alright. I hope we don't get killed.
I'm still shooting just in case.
Why are we stopped? Pilot!
Why are we not moving?
Where are those elites?
They're dead. I got them.
No, on my side.
All 3 of them on the left.
I think we did it.
We made it.
Soft lock. Who?